The abuse and exploitation of girls in poverty is among the greatest human rights issues in the world, and child marriage is the most widespread form of that abuse. Tens of thousands of girls around the world are forced into harmful child marriages every day. Child marriage ends a girl's education. It leads to a higher incidence of domestic violence against girls and women, and it significantly increases the frequency of maternal and infant mortality. Child marriage destroys girls' lives and futures. In Bangladesh, where we work, 2 out of every 3 girls are given in early marriage. Speak Up is working to stop this abuse of girls and to empower them to stay in school instead, all the way through college or higher education. Through our girls' education program, hundreds of girls from poor families who otherwise would have been vulnerable to child marriage and all the dangers it entails are now being empowered to stay in school all the way through higher education, elevating the well-being and status of girls and women in their communities. Together Women Rise is partnering with us again in this critically important work. Funding from Together Women Rise will allow us to provide health and safety training throughout 2024 to more than 1,600 girls in our girls' education program in each of the 36 villages and urban slums in which we work. Your support will help us empower a generation of girls to rise above poverty and live better lives. Village life can be tough for girls in poverty. There are many threats to their health and safety. Poor families often lack access to clean water. Living in crowded quarters, in close proximity to livestock, with inadequate sanitation and waste systems often contributes to disease. Families in our context are often uneducated about basic hygiene issues. Girls and women often lack access to feminine products. Girls and women in our working area are also often unaware of their legal right to bodily autonomy. They often don't know what to do or who to talk to when they are at risk of or experiencing physical or sexual abuse. Our health and safety seminars will address these subjects, giving girls the knowledge and resources they need to live healthier and safer lives. Funding from Together Women Rise will also help us to hire a nursing school graduate of our girls' education program to be a full-time community health nurse in 2024 and beyond. This healthcare professional will oversee our girls' health and safety seminars in every village and urban slum reached by our program, as well as in our college women's dormitories, which house young women in our program while they pursue their higher education. We are grateful to partner with Together Women Rise to give girls from poor families the education and tools they need to avoid child marriage and other forms of abuse, to stay in school, to live healthy lives, and to reach their own dreams for their future. Thank you for helping us create a new reality for girls and women.